This is exactly how I fixed Minecraft mobile crashing. So what I had to do is that I had to go to my Minecraft mobile app and then click on the three lines right here, as you can see, and then click on settings on this page. And now on settings, just scroll down and click on video settings here. And then in here, make sure to set all of this, so the shadow quality low, cloud range low right here, all of this right here should be set on the lowest settings. But the most important one is this render distance right here. So if you have this one really high like I do now, switch it to 4 instead here, so 4 chunks. This will help a lot of you that actually have problems with your Minecraft app crashing. So just switch it down to a really low, so 4 chunks should do, and then you can go back and try once again. So this should like minimize your risk of it actually crashing. Another thing that you can do, of course, is to not play on low battery, that I'm doing right now, unfortunately. So try to not play on low battery when you're playing this game for sure. Hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.